Spent hours editing product photos and still can't make them stand out? Let me show you how I turned this boring shot into this scroll stopper using just AI. It's getting started. The tool is called SellerPic. Just Google SellerPic AI and click the first link. Now hit the Start Free Trial button and create an account using any method. Now, here's where things get really fun. Let's turn plain product shots into e-commerce gold. SellerPic has a full toolbox of AI features, and we'll be covering all of them. Step 2, Virtual Try-On Apparel. From the dashboard, go to Virtual Try-On Apparel. I'm starting with a basic t-shirt photo, plain background, nothing fancy. Let's see what AI can do. Once uploaded, choose your category, like only top, only bottom, full body, or one-piece garment. I'm selecting only top. You can use your own model photo or just pick one from SellerPic's huge model library. I'm choosing this one. Now we adjust the mask area, this purple region, so the t-shirt fits correctly on the model. Done. Hit confirm. You can also choose a pose to match the style of your product. Once everything's set, just hit generate. And just look at that, it literally looks like I ran a full photo shoot. But this was 100% AI. Clean, styled, natural. Ready for Amazon, Etsy, or your next Instagram ad? Click download here. And yes, you can even turn this into a product video for Reels, ads, or TikToks. We'll cover that soon. Step 3, Virtual Try-On Accessories. Go to Virtual Try-On Accessories. I'm uploading glasses for this demo. You could also try earrings, hats, headbands, whatever fits your brand. Upload your accessory. Pick a face model. Adjust the position mask. Click confirm, then hit generate. Boom. Accessory perfectly placed on a real face model. Looks completely professional with no retouching needed. Download it directly. Or turn it into a video, which I'll show you in the next upload. I've tested dozens of tools, and honestly, SellerPic just gets what online sellers need. Fast, clean, customizable AI product photos. Want to try it out yourself? Just hit the link in the description. Free trial, free credits, no hassle. And hey, if you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. I've got more free AI tools coming your way.